We're going to learn how to draw this simple frog drawing with 1, 2, and 3. First, take your liner and write a backwards number 2. Now, write a real number 2 on the other side. Now we're going to write a big bump on top for his head. We're going to add some texture and pattern to his body, and now we're going to write the upside down letter 3, the number 3. Write a 1 to connect the number 3 to the 2's. Now draw the eyes and its arms. Add some toes for him. And now we're gonna color him. Ta-da, and there we're done. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to leave a like and subscribe. See you next time.